Hello everyone in Cyber World. It's time for another healthy eating project, so let's get right into it. Today's video is going to be very short, but for a good reason. The idea is to show how one can make a quick, simple version of gyoza. Gyoza traditionally takes a lot of time chopping up all the ingredients, stuffing the wrappers, and folding them. Obviously, the fastest way to make gyoza is to start with purchased wrappers. Although this is fast, we want something healthier where we can control the ingredients of the wrappers, so we make our own. And here's where I cheat. Using ingredients for gyoza wrappers, I put them in my pasta maker and make lasagna noodles, which are a little thick, so I roll them out to make them a little thinner. After rolling out the dough, I use a round cookie cutter that happens to be the perfect size for making gyoza wrappers. Next are the ingredients to put in the gyoza, and we use just two things, kimchi and ground turkey. Of course, the proper ingredients is pork, but turkey is a healthier option. Normally, we would fold the gyoza wrappers properly, but when making this meal quickly, we cheat and simply fold the filled wrappers in half. It does not look as good, but the flavor is still there. To cook the gyoza, we use a medium-high heat, brown the gyoza, then pour in a third cup of water and cover it in order to steam cook the gyoza. And there you have it. Quick, simple, healthy, and tasty gyoza. As always, we hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you again real soon.